as per 9th standard, subject social, and topic name is geography first lesson, lithosphere 1, and also endogenetic process. Okay, so lithosphere means in Tamil we can call it as a nilakolam. Okay, endogenetic process means the framing of the process of how the lithosphere is framing, how the earth is made. Okay, so next one is introduction. Okay, so when we take Earth, the Earth is a unique planet in the solar system, in the solar family. Okay, so we already know that. Okay, Earth one is a very only one planet. It is different from other planets in the solar system. That is why it's called as a unique planet in the solar system. Okay, so Earth composed, here composed means frame or made up of 4 spheres. Okay, so 4 spheres means 4 கோளங்களால் உருவாக்கப்பட்டது எது? Earth. Okay, so அது என்னென்ன கோளங்கள் பார்க்கறப்போ 4 sphere means lithosphere. In Tamil we can call it as a நிலக்கோளம். Okay, and the atmosphere. Atmosphere in Tamil we can call it as a வளிக்கோளம். அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். வளி means air, surrounded by the air. Next, the hydrosphere. Hydrosphere in Tamil we can call it as a நீர்க்கோளம். Okay, and the biosphere. Biosphere means உயிர்க்கோள்கள், உயிர்க்கோளம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay, so this lesson is mainly focused on the internal process of the earth. Okay, what is the interior part of the earth we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, here is the definition. Okay, this definition is given by Arthur Holmes. Okay, the definition is given by Arthur Holmes. Okay, he is giving definition as the earth can physically described as a ball of a rock. Okay, so he is defining that earth is made up of he is giving definition as a earth is ball. Okay, as a ball of rock. Okay, the earth is made up of rock and also it is look like a ball. Okay, so the rock part is defined as a lithosphere. Okay, so the solid surface, no, so the rock part he is defined as the lithosphere. Okay, and partly covered by the water. Okay, so the earth part is partly means pari pavudi. Okay, covered by the hydrosphere and also called as a hydrosphere. Okay, so the earth he is giving definition as a ball of rock. Okay, he is giving earth as a ball of rock. The earth is made up of rock and the rock part is considered as a lithosphere. Okay, and then partly covered by the water. Okay, water means here he is telling that hydrosphere. Okay, next wrapped in an enveloped air. Okay, so this part is covered by air. Okay, the air part, no, he is considered as a atmosphere. Okay, so these physical zones. Okay, in this three physical zones and biological zones. Okay, so இந்த மூணுமே சேர்ந்து கம்பைன் ஆனதா என்ன zone சொல்றாங்க? Biological zone அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, so in this the biological zones includes living organism. Here living organism means called as a biosphere. Biosphere he is telling. Okay, so any living organism can able to live, that sphere is considered as a biosphere. Okay, next we are going to see about spheres of the earth. Okay, and the கோளங்கள் என்னென்ன கோளங்கள் இருக்கு earthல அப்படினு பார்ப்போம். First, earth surface is a vast area about 510 million square kilometer. Okay, so earth is a surface. Okay, earth surface எவ்வளவுன்னு பார்க்கறப்ப 510 million square kilometer. Okay, so the four spheres of the earth interact means combine. Okay, four spheres எப்படி இருக்கும் combine பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும் earthல அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, so first one is abiotic spheres. Okay, abiotic is consist of lithosphere and also atmosphere and also hydrosphere. Okay, so these things only combine and form a abiotic spheres. Okay, next biotic spheres means the biosphere. Okay, so the biotic spheres na edu is the biosphere அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, abiotic mean we can already know that non living. Okay, non living things, so உயிரற்ற கோளம் அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, so biotic spheres means living உயிர்க்கோளங்கள் அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. So biotic spheres is the biosphere. Okay, so these four combine and together form a spheres. Okay, so இந்த நாலும் சேர்ந்து தான் எதை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது? அந்த கோளங்களை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, so together spheres and form a planet. Okay, இது எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து எதை ஃபார்ம் பண்ணுது? planet. Okay, that planet called as a earth. Okay, okay, next topic is structure of the earth. Okay, So how the earth is made, okay va, அதோட வடிவமைப்பு பார்க்க போறோம். First, outer surface and the inner core of the earth are different in nature and structure, okay va. So outer surface, okay va, outer surface and also inner core, okay va, உள்ள இருக்குறதும் வெளிய இருக்கிற அமைப்பு எப்படி இருக்கும், தன்மையும் அதோட வடிவமைப்பு டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கும் அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, next one is earth is primarily divided into three categories, okay va. Earth வந்து interior part, okay, earth interior part can be divided into three layers அப்படினா. First one is crust, in Tamil we can say it as a மேலோடு அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க, okay va. And second layer is the mantle, கவசம். And also the third layer is core, in Tamil we can say it as a கருவம், okay va. So here this is the crust, okay va, the outer layer, okay. Next the core, okay va. Second layer is core, okay va, we can say it as a karuvam in Tamil, okay. Next one is mantle. This is upper mantle and also this is lower, this is upper mantle and also this is lower mantle, okay va. So lower mantle, this is called, okay, mantle in Tamil we can say it as a kavasam, okay va. So these are the three layers of the earth interior layers, okay va. Earth interior na inner part layers, okay. Okay, next one is we can say it, okay, in order to observe easily I will draw pictures, okay. So the solid outer part of the earth is called as the lithosphere, okay. The solid means very strongest place, okay. So this is called as the earth, okay. So this is considered as a rock, okay. So the solid place of the earth is called as the lithosphere, okay. So the thin layer of gases surrounded by the earth, okay. The thin layer of the gases surrounded the earth is called as the atmosphere, okay. So this is okay, the earth is surrounded by many gas, okay. That place is that sphere is considered as the atmosphere, okay. அதாவது solid surface rock ஆல அதாவது rock ஆல இருக்கிற place என்ன சொல்லுவோம்னா lithosphere சொல்லுவோம், ஓகேவா. அதே மாதிரி அந்த earth வந்து வாயுக்களால நிரப்பப்பட்டிருந்துச்சுன்னா அது எப்படி சொல்லுவோம், atmosphere, ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட் watery part of the earth surface which includes ocean, river, lakes and water vapor, ஓகேவா. These are called as a hydrosphere, ஓகேவா. So the earth and the watery part of the surface, okay, earth surface வந்து வாட்டர் கவர் ஆயிருச்சுன்னா அதை என்ன ஸ்பேஸ் சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா ஹைட்ரோஸ்பியர், ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட் and the layer of the earth, okay, and the layer of the earth when life exists, ஓகேவா, when any living organism whether they can able to live mean that phase is called as a biosphere, ஓகேவா. So this is called as a biosphere, okay. In order to live any living organism they want to live mean the three things will be have to occur, okay va. The three things will be need, okay va. That is any living organism they can be able to live, that sphere is called as a biosphere, okay students. Thank you.